Oh, it's recording now. We're waiting to go on the canoe. Unload the canoe or whatever. Okay. Which van?
That's the girls' one, boys.
We're about to go. Yo, I'm about to just get. Yeah, because ours has more seats. Yo, scooch over.
Is it still on?
Say hi.
Is it on? Is it on? Is it on? Bro, I turned it on.
There's another van?
Another van.
We're taking another van?
Yeah.
Not just one van. Sorry.
Anyways, y'all.
Say hi. Can I see this one? Bro, look.
Danielle. Danielle.
Daniel.
Aria. You coming? Aria.
You coming?
No.
Low key looks
No.
Aria, go sit back there and Danielle sit right here.
Sit back where?
By Renee. Renee.
I'm not going
The
to
Renees are sitting by
Can we drink?
no.
Yep, there's
No.
nephew Renee.
Yo. Oh, shotgun, son.
Huh? Oh.
We're going. We're going to.
Oh my gosh. We're going to Sammy's. To unload the canoe. No, we're not. We're in Sunamish.
We're going.
We're going to unload the canoe and paddle.
When's the last time you seen
I'm
him?
pretty sure that's the house.
Are you going, Siggy?
How you doing? It looks like my cup.
He's talking.
Okay.
I'm on the. I was seeing him.
Elena, say hi.
I was seeing him all of
Elena.
I was seeing him all of
Hey, girl.
I'm
Bro,
in this
don't do
canoe.
that. It's not dope.
I look back in these fucking mirrors and I look back again and he was.
Oh, look at all these people.
Oh, sorry, Brian. I found it.
Hey, girl.
No, I made Aria move. So I had Danielle was coming.
Oh.
Capturing so much.
Bien.
Are those still on?
Yeah. Yes.
You guys are gonna record the whole ride there?
Yes, we are.
Get your arm off of my shoulder.
Oh yeah, I have to go on the other van.
Get your
I guess I
arm
could have told her
off
that.
my shoulder.
Poor guy.
Holy crap, what did she grab? Look, she's grabbing hella.
I got
Take a step, take a step.
the shoes that I wore nonstop.
You're not sneaky, Grant. Get this on camera. Trying to grab every
I feel
single
like I'm still.
Bro, I can't.
Yo, I woke up at 12.
You should let me use the GoPro sometime.
It's Uncle's. Uncle Dean.
Oh, never mind.
Your hair looks funny.
I'm his godson, let me have it.
I know, I'm trying to fix it, bro.
Hey,
I saw.
Lemmy's nephew. I'll send it to
She
you.
knew Rihanna longer than you. Like way longer than you.
Wait, can you?
She knew Rihanna since she was young.
No.
Can you like?
What the heck?
Bien's daily life on her phone.
Not really.
I'm so sunburned.
Low key, me too.
That's uncalled for, Michaela.
All the seats are taken.
We're filming a vlog of us, though.
And then
Day of girls' life.
No, a day.
This one's still you, right?
Yeah. What are these fans?
I don't know.
Wait, those fans in
Go
here?
ride my boy's car.
Fans.
Aria!
I didn't do that. That was you.
She spilled her Red Bull.
No.
Well, you should let me try your drink.
Mike, have a drink of yours.
Alright, Red Bull might say blue, but like, this is blue.
15 and up.
Okay, girl. A tiny
I may say
sip.
Arizona, but is it from Arizona?
A really tiny sip. Because I barely have anything but tiny sip
I'm
somewhere.
gonna drink this.
Look at that.
I'm just kidding.
The Friday.
I'm just kidding.
I'm okay. I'm okay.
Oh yeah.
Nope. Nope.
I low-key don't even know.
That thing's not bad. It's not that bad.
May say Red Bull Blue.
It's kind of bad.
It's just a little bumpy, but that's fine. It's 10.5.
I know. I seen it right on his feet.
Aria, say hi.
Hi.
Let me hold it for a bit.
Damn, like.
Stop! You got my bad angle, bro. Don't worry, I do myself. That's everyone. Raise it up. Raise the roof. Raise the roof. Raise the roof. Oh no, it turned off. Oh, no, I just did myself 30.
Oh, safety first, you guys.
Put your buckles on.
And don't forget, positive mind.
Positive mind.
Positive thinking.
Positive
Who are
mindset.
these fans, bruh?
I don't know.
Hey,
These
Where?
fans.
Remember that? Remember you got nicknamed Bob 1, Bob 2?
Okay, we don't believe in Bob 2 anymore. Okay, girl.
Bob 2.
Bob 2 is for God.
Bob 2.
No.
Yo, we're on our way. See?
Nope, not yet. Bro, I can't
you cut it out.
Who is this
How about you
fan?
cut it out?
Who?
This kid.
He's a human being. He's not a
Hey, I know those people.
We're Bob 1.
Little fangirl, bro.
Wait, can I see
He's acting like a little fangirl.
I'm so sunburned, guys.
We're Bob Japanese.
Literally, me too. I put on sunscreen though.
Just upset.
I should have brushed my hair.
We're Bob Japanese here.
I brushed my hair. I believe. Yo.
We can barely see yourself.
No. Ow, my eyeball.
Let me hit your eyeball.
Yes, you did.
Check the camera.
Be quiet. I'm gonna bring up your favorite animal.
I won't.
Yo, this.
I don't believe you.
Be quiet. I'm not taking
Oh yeah, the
It is
camera's
still on?
The cameras.
Is my camera still on?
It's still recording because the red light's blinking.
This is like my 10th baby.
Yeah, Lena.
I am buckled. I am buckled.
Yo, why'd you give me a shout out? Did you say Kimchi? Hey. Match. Can you play songs, please? I'm talking about Annie. She's a fairy. Yeah, she's a fairy. Yeah, she's a fairy. Who has what down? Light bomb down. My sunburn's bad.
Mine, you can see mine.
Girl, you cannot see it.
You guys forgot
Yes, you
sunscreen?
No, I put some on earlier.
Rice. You're so mean to me.
Manic.
Who wants the rest? Say hi.
Y'all say hi.
I'm gonna feed Elena to the dragon.
Hell yeah.
Oh,
Say hi back there. I don't even know who
I'll
did
give you
it.
a fist bump.
Yo.
I'll give you a fist bump.
yo, Elena, how do you feel?
I'll-
You
You're not gonna give it back.
I won't say
She
sushi.
just said that she's gonna feed you to the
I
dragonfly.
won't say Japanese.
She's literally my little brother.
Can I have a drink?
She cannot do nothing.
Oh,
Hear that, Renee?
It's a crush.
girl, we got that on camera.
Oh my god!
Say hi.
Hi. Oh.
Say hi.
Why are you guys pointing it towards me?
Where we going?
Stop facing it towards me.
I have no clue. Looking.
Mom! Congrats. I'm not going to stop.
my older brother.
I already said.
Dakota. Huh? Where are they launching from?
Have you been saying my name?
No.
You guys are on camera.
Brian, what's your favorite memory of Journey 2025?
There's 2 fights.
Love me landing Linux sack because I was enjoying helping the elders. What yeah. Memory have Journeys 2025.
Literally playing at the park.
Not my Celsius.
I will drink your Celsius.
I forgot my phone.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh, you guys.
I didn't play my
Y'all are. Oh wait.
This is the time.
1:25.
It's backwards.
Oh yeah, it's so pretty. The background is so pretty.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, that's also so pretty. I don't even got my phone. I almost keep falling.
It changes.
Let's look at Brienne's
That's
password.
my junior. That's
Oh, yeah.
Rosie and my auntie. This is a sunset
So
picture.
pretty.
Kind
How
of
far
wonky.
is Sandwich?
This is my family on my mom's side. This is my junior. This is another sunset
I'm gonna
picture.
just be doing myself dirty.
This one's
Oh yeah, you and Tana.
me and Rotten. And another sunset picture from Florida.
So pretty.
No,
I was like, you to Florida?
this is a painting that I really, really loved, and I took it with me. Oh, there's the power button. That's my little ride dog. That's me and my little junior.
Oh!
That's me.
It's Bian looking her bestest.
Yeah.
It's so
That's
pretty.
the twin sisters and Mal. Yeah, the twin sisters. That's in Suwanen, Everson.
Literally.
Literally. This is Lummy.
Oh,
There's also my junior again. And then the cycle continues.
wow, I'm not
Huzzah.
in there. Flip you too. Flip you. Are you paddling today?
No.
Are you paddling?
Yeah.
Are you paddling?
After.
Are you paddling?
Where are we calling?
Hey, girl.
Are you paddling?
Oh, I don't know.
Are you paddling?
Maybe.
But four.
There's two more back there.
No, don't talk to my little brother like that.
There's a burn ban in effect.
This is my
Here.
little brother. I'm her older brother. Got that camera. Bro, I wish you could see us.
So first you guys are fighting over Red Bull.
Listen to 94.5.
Oh, I did not know you was recording these.
First one to win.
Our vlogs are low-key boring.
Yeah. We should switch, you know?
No. I don't want to hold it like that. No, I don't want to put it on my forehead. I would look weird.
I don't want to kiss her.
Huh?
Oreo. So guys, Oreo. We're going to the water. Oreo.
Then again, I haven't drank water today.
Brienne. What's your name? Dakota. Eliza.
Michaela.
All three.
Ariana. Aria.
Oh well. The popo. Brian, you got in my way. I was trying to record the popo.
Coca-Cola.
Where? Oh.
You missed it.
Look, that's our van up there. Our van. That's
Don't
the other van.
cover the license.
Oh. Cover the license plate.
Or somebody go Zach.
Zach can do it.
Zach. Oh, sorry. I'll go.
Loki can't even see it from here.
Oh, yeah. You can't even see a couple of rooms like this. What? I'm not charging my phone.
I should have put more lip oil on. Oh, my hair.
Manic. Manic.
You're just a fan.
Manic.
This guy,
Oh, you like
Just a fan.
this train out your parking space. Wait. This is like day 3. Look.
Oh yeah, we're on day 3 of journeys. We're currently going to Salmon.
I get myself
To pull canoe. And then tomorrow we're gonna pull to Swinomish, and then Swinomish to Tulips. Okay, buddy. She's vlogging herself.
It was my
Oh wait, she's vlogging me. Vlog yourself. She's vlogging herself. Zach, you better cut that out. Girl, quit vlogging me.
I'm so bad.
Vlog something else.
I'm just kidding.
Loki. Loki though. I don't know what to say.
Oh, yo!
But she's sitting on her phone. What are we doing?
We're in the car.
It's a van.
Van, same thing.
Hey, you can't do that.
What landing can't you wait for?
Chinese people can't do that, bro.
I don't know. The end.
Oh, so Elwa.
Chinese man on their nose.
Hey, girl.
What's your name? Michaela. How old are you, Michaela? 16. What's your favorite part of the journey? Hanging out with people. And hopefully meeting new people.
There's no garbage.
There's no garbage.
You just put it up there. No, leave it back there. It's right.
Leave it back there. Okay. What's your name?
Rihanna.
How old are you?
12.
What's your favorite part of your journey?
Hang out with my cousins.
Literally. Look at the water.
That was so cool. How far are we from there? Girl, stop. Who is this fan girl? I'm guessing 20 minutes. We're like 6, 7.
Ain't no way.
It's so hot. Bro, they're gonna hate me.
We've been vlogging for 19 minutes.
I've been vlogging for 18 minutes.
Oh my gosh, she's did me dirty.
Bro, this Brian's doing me dirty.
Maybe if you can see it. Girl, you was recording me? The heel.
It was off.
My bad, dude. Oh, I was recording to see.
No,
mask
on camera.
nicely.
She didn't.
I didn't even know you. I didn't even know you.
Stop talking to my little brother like
That's
that.
my cousin.
What?
I'm his older brother now.
Yeah.
Oh, where?
Somewhere on the side door. I'm Renee's older brother now.
Okay.
We're like 6, 7. Don't talk to my little brother like that. 6, 7.
I don't even know if they're recording these things. Yo, I think we're almost
I
there.
remember going to Hill last year when I first seen land. I got so
Oh my gosh, that does not look like
Last year I got
it's
so
charged.
Bobby Bob Bob.
I think it's almost dead.
Oh yeah, I know it's too.
I think. I don't know where we are. I'm lost.
Boats.
I felt bad.
Oh yeah, a bunch of boats.
On that last part,
Look at all that.
Bingo.
My hat's bumping his head. Oh, sick. It's Zach's hat. No wonder he's acting like shit. Renee, where are these fans? These fans. I know.
I know they look right away.
These fans.
I've seen one in the winter.
Right here. How was it going? Good. Bro, I'm bored. She's really nice. How to your camera?
No, the camera's so boring. There's literally nothing to do. I'm bored. It's quiet. Elena, talk to the camera. No, yourself. Talk to it.
Oh, talk to it?
Yeah.
I don't know what to talk about. Give me something to talk about.
I don't know what to talk about.
Oh, I don't want to sing to you. Look at my little brother. The worst older brother. I'm the best older brother. Look at this little fangirl back there. The backwards hat. He's a fangirl.
McDonald's.
They both have backwards hat.
King
Yo,
China.
all three of them created that song.
She's a fangirl for real. These fans. Oh.
Oh, it's your kind of created apple.
Aren't you Chinese? Give me that. What's on Juana?
Yeah, I know.
I don't know.
Brian, he looks tiny.
These guys, man. These fans.
Black.
These fans.
Matthew looks Asian.
Bruh.
Silas looks.
That's Ryan.
Bub looks Asian.
She kind of
She.
And I don't know.
Is that a sound?
I love Ryan though. Ryan's my oh. Ryan?
I don't like Ryan.
She's my soccer buddy, bruh. Oh,
I'm not trying to be rude, but she's
I also don't like Ryan also.
started with like the whole Mia Mary thing.
Yeah.
Bro, how am I gonna say that she wants to fight me and stuff?
Are we here?
Runs away when I try to talk to her.
No.
Where is we?
Where are you then?
Oh, is this where the boat is? This is.
Michaela.
What?
She called it.
I was talking about the safety boat.
Nice save.
I was talking about the safety boat.
the safety belt. Oh! Sorry, go.
Guys, someone just farted. Someone just farted in there. It was one of those boys over there. Look, it's our beautiful canoe. Oh my gosh, I'm not gonna show myself. I'm gonna look top.
Even you were saying it, even though we're like the same height.
We're not.
Are we the same height? Take this off. Stop! Take this off. Stop! Who's on?
Lena, do a fit check.
Oh, I got that Nick Segway Life Gym. I got Nike shirt.
Put it down.
I don't know where the logo is. I don't know where the logo is, but it's a Nike shirt.
Okay, fit check. Oh,
I also got slides. I don't know. They're from Walmart.
okay, fit
Put your
check.
slides back on.
Fit check.
Alright, little what?
Fit
I got
check.
a
Okay.
Red Power shirt. I got
Oh, okay.
a Crocs and Nike socks, and that's it.
Okay, do a fit check, Renee.
I got this from Nextag. This shirt from Freddy's. These jeans from Balloons. Shoes from Zoomies. That's all. Oh, this.
Oh,
I don't want to get in there.
I guess. Yo, with our GoPro.
It's my Auntie Michaela.
Oh yeah.
My Auntie
Y'all.
Auntie Michaela. This is our Auntie Michaela. Let's see. Yeah, but that's not.
I don't want to miss
Thank you.
Yeah.
Someone want to tie my shoe?
Where are we going? Yo, do. Troy.
Why is my older brother short?
Troy, do a fit check. Do a fit check. Yeah. Say where you got everything from. Okay, Troy's gatekeeping all his stuff. How do you guys feel about that? Huh? Yes. Hey. Ow. Sorry. That hurt.
Oh, move.
Oh my God!
Get on me.
Hey guys.
Elbow into my thigh. Oh no.
Yo,
Oh no.
So what's your name? Oh, girl. What's your name?
Michaela.
How old are you, Michaela?
16.
6.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
Oh, but like, what's your favorite part of J-Mount? What's your favorite song of J-Mount?
Yo.
I don't know.
Okay. What's your name?
Hey, you have a good question, Rihanna?
Yeah.
Any question? What is it?
What's your name? How old are you? How old are you?
Oh, 16.
Hey, you got
What's your favorite J-Mount song?
I kind of forgot his name already.
Bro.
Dalen.
Whistle song.
Dalen.
Huh?
Just like Brandon.
What's your name? Elena. Elena? I'm 13. Yeah, 13.
Oh my
What's
God.
your favorite J-Mount song?
It low-key changes, but right now it's on the spot.
Bro, you guys would have felt it, bro.
Someone farted. Actually, wait.
Arya farted again. That was Arya. Again.
Wait, let me.
I swear I seen this last year.
Luann. No. You're so far. You're so far. Do you want it? Danielle, you should give this to Luann. Be careful.
Hey, is it on? It is too. Say hi. Say what's up. There's Justin, Shaughnessy. There's Rosalind, Selena, Cyan. Oh. And then there's Raymond. What's your name? Cadence. And what's your name? Gabe. And then Tiana's all the way up there. I'm the random. And then Danielle's driving. What? Driving. Look, Danielle, she's driving. So, yeah. I don't know what to do with this. So I'm just gonna hold it.
Talk about like what you're seeing, how the view is.
Bro, I can literally just do this. That's the view, guys. That's the view. Like there's yeah. There's like boats all up there. I don't know, but there's like can you zoom it in? I can't zoom it in. Okay. Yeah. Okay guys, I'm giving you a little tour in my crown bag because I don't know. They just handed me this. She just handed me this. So there we go. We got my crown. We got my little pliers for when I beat, my kid scissors, my earrings, that bracelet that San made me, my stick game set, my crown, my headphones, and then a whole bunch of other crap. I don't know. I'm just doing whatever with this. And then a frog. Okay, and then you're gonna watch me go on my phone.
Pause that.
I don't know how to pause it. I'm just leaving it. I'm just finishing designing, bro. Well, this thing is almost dead. I'm gonna charge this.
You guys all Starbucks.
Yo, get Sean.
Not to hurt your guys' heart, but I had Starbucks earlier.
I think me and supposed to.
I had Starbucks earlier. I had Starbucks earlier.
When?
Hey, it's called princess treatment.
Whatever.
They put it under princess too. Yep. I got my caramel iced ribbon crunch with extra crunch. Yes, I need my extra crunch when it comes to my coffee. That one's good.